Hey guys, I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver. Today we're going to be looking at one of the houses that was just recently been built by Randle Construction. Now, Buckhead Forest, a lot of the houses in here are built by Randle Construction, and this one at 103 Spotted Fawn is actually already under contract to be closed on, but it is their base model. So I wanted to do a quick video and show you what they've got to offer and see what their base model is, and then we can talk to you in person about doing some upgrades on the one that you want. So come on in and let's take a look at it. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions or you want to see about what else they have to offer, give me a call at 478-256-9877 and we'll go talk to them and see if we can't get you in one of their houses with Randle Construction. Talk to you on the next one.